Well, yes, a setback coming in for RailTel as Bihar Education Project Council actually cancelled three education infrastructure orders worth 600 crores, and this was supposed to be earlier one of those flagship projects by the company, because in Q2 the overall order win from Bihar government for development of their education infrastructure was over 800 crores, and out of that almost 609 crores worth of order has been cancelled right now. And with respect to the reasons, the company is saying that because of some of these unavoidable reasons, these order wins have been cancelled right now, because it was just in 8th of September where the company has announced all these order wins, wherein with respect to the cancellation, the first sort of a cancellation has come in for the smart classrooms middle schools, wherein this order was around 262 odd crores. Smart classrooms for secondary and senior schools, this order win was around 257 crores, and along with that, to provide the teaching material, this order win was close to 90 odd crores. And along with that, the company has also got some small orders rather, for setting up some of the labs. Those order wins stand as it is right now, but in the latest, the company has said that close to 609.5 crores of order win that was announced back in Q2, that stands cancelled because of unavoidable reasons. Now, if we take a look at the overall order book size, because as of the start of the November, we do understand that the RailTel order book stood at close to 8,251 odd crores, and this particular order win of close to 609 crores actually formed over 7% of the total order book. That stands cancelled. And the other big thing to note is that the execution of these order wins was very nearby, because they were supposed to be completed by 31st of March 2026, and just ahead of that deadline, we have seen a cancellation happening. So yes, of course, a setback coming in for RailTel. Back to you.
Okay, Shrishti, thanks for that update. So yes, a little bit of a cut on that stock. The stock is acting quite resiliently in the market right now, given how negative the news flow is. But yes, on that note, viewers, time to slip into a very short break. We'll be right back on the other side with more news and updates from the broader end of the market, so stay tuned.